Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by readying the essentials. Meshy AI installed and Roblox Studio open with developer mode enabled. Next, make sure API access and the Meshy plugin are active so the tools can communicate. Once done, collect your model files, obj or FBX, and any textures or reference images you'll use. Then drag the model into Meshy's import area and choose a target rig type. This immediate action gets you from setup to the first actionable import step without wasting time on basics. Once the model is imported, configure rigging and optimization. Select R6 or R15 depending on animation needs and map bones so Meshy AI transfers movement correctly. This avoids later joint errors. Next, decimate the mesh to a practical triangle count. Aim for 5,000 to 20,000 tris to balance fidelity and Roblox performance. Then bake textures and repair UV seams while assigning collision shapes and LOD thresholds. So the asset behaves. Finish by exporting a Roblox-ready package that bundles meshes, textures, and animations. Import it into Studio, place the asset in a simple test map, and run a playtest to verify appearance and rigs under real conditions. If something breaks, make sure to recheck bone weights and mapping, confirm texture file paths are correct, and adjust LOD or collision settings that might clip or disappear. If problems persist, iterate with smaller changes so you can pinpoint the cause quickly and fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.